Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. This is K Comica and this is Kings and you're welcome back to another tutorial. Now please, before we start, I would like you to just subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so that when we drop any video, you'll be the first to get it. Now today we'll be looking at a report sheet, a software program that allows you to create reports, exam scores that is automated. What do I mean? Now, this is a kind of software or program that just allows you to put in the data, that is the student score, either CA test or CBT if you do, so that it will be easy for them and become programmed to calculate it automatically. Now, this is how the software looks like. Remember, it can be modified based on the subject, the name of school, the color, and whatever information you want to add. Now, let's take a look at this. Now, here we have the school logo and the school name, and here we have the third term report sheet. This is for 2025-2026 session. Now, here we have the student name, here we have the class, the sex, the number of days present, and of course the month. Now this month is going to show us the date of resumption. Okay, date of resumption. Now this is a report card for third term, so you can create first term and second term for you as well. Now if you want this program or this software, please send us a message, and or you can just WhatsApp the number that is showing below in the on the screen so that we can attend to you wherever you are calling from. Now, here we have the total score, average, overall grade, and position. Now, why this program is very good is that um, it reduces human error because when teachers have a lot of students to impute their results, we tend to make some calculation mistake. It is normal because of the population. But all you need to do here is just to impute all the scores and it will do the job. Now, over here we have the subject, we have CA. In this program, they do have CA, which is 40 marks. Then we have CBT 20 and exam 40. So here we have the total and the grade. And these are the subjects. Okay, like I said, it can be modified based on the number of subjects and the type of subject you offer in your school. So here we have all the subjects. Then below we also have the class teacher remark and principal remark. This is also automatically done based on the grade of the child. Based on the grade of the child. So now let's take a look and let's try to run an example. So first thing first, let's use Joel. I'm and is in GSS1. Then the sex, just put male. The number of days present, let's say he was 112 days present. Now, so here is the um month of resumption. So probably we might be resuming back on the 6th of September. So we have it there. Just select the calendar and pick the date, and it will just automatically put it there. Now here we have name, student name, class, sex, and promotion status. That is to show if the child is promoted or not. Now this place will display all this that we have done when it's time for us to save the results in PDF or to print the results out. So now we have the total score 0, average 0, overall grade 0, position 0. That is because we have not imputed any score in these columns. So let's run through. So let's say for example for math, CA is called 35, then English 33 or 32. Let's keep going. So we have 33, 25. Please note I'm putting random numbers so that it will make more sense. The score is over 40. So of course now uh, some schools may not be doing CBT, which is sure, or you may have three ways. Maybe you have first CA, which is 10, second CA, or whatever CA, or your breakdown of how you want your score to be. But in general, we do advise, which is the standard, that you should just have you know, your CA and your exam score. Then you can have your normal broadsheet where you can put all those breakdown of results. so that it will not be cumbersome when you are creating a program like this. So, and again, when parents are checking results, they just want to see the score of their students. So, but if the school is not doing CBT, we'll modify it in such a way that the CBT is not going to be there. So, okay, you just have only the CA and the exam, which will be 60 instead of 20. So let's continue inputting the database, which we're almost there. So, okay, let's put 15, 13, 20. Let's put another 20 in history. That's for the CBT. Yoruba 12, and of course, let's go for 15. Now, we come back here for the exam, which is about 40. So let's give everything 33. Very easy to use. Just make sure you input your scores. And one other thing is that when you are doing these results, you have to finish it. Okay, you can't just do half and come back. You just have to try and finish it so that the results will be readily available. Because doing results takes some time in some schools. We advise that you just sit down and impute the results. Okay, now we are done. We are done imputing the score. So you scroll down and click on calculate results over here. So you click on calculate results. As you can see, it has done the total calculation and it has graded the results. Okay, see. Now let's go back up. You see the total score we have 995. Then the average of the child is 76.54, which is also 77. So the overall grade is A1. So as you can see here, the student name is here, the class, sex, the days, and the months. Okay, see, then the status is promoted. Now all these codes, this promoted and all these average is based on the coding. So if you want your own to be maybe from a certain average number, we can do that as well. These are written codes that we can just try to suit your own benefits. And okay, as you can see, class teacher remark, excellent performance, outstanding achievements. The principal's remark also says the same thing. So we can also modify the principal remark and the class teacher remark that suits your own preference. Alright, so if you want to save this result or print this result, all you need to do is to go down, click on download PDF. So you have the child result over here. You see all the scores. This is very good when you do online results, which will advise schools to emulate. Online results is very, very good. Online results. And if you want more about online results, you can just comment below so that I can do a tutorial for a software for an online result. Okay, so here we have the you can select your printer if you have a printer, but you can save it in PDF like this and just click on save. Okay, so it will ask you, then when you want to save, you have to save it with the child's name. So I have Joel Amide, that's GSS1. Okay, so I can let me just save it on my desktop. I click on save. So I've saved the child's results. Now, if I made a mistake, or for example, the child scored 33, 35 instead of 33, immediately I change the number, I can just do the calculate result all over again and it will generate the score, and you can see it has changed. So you can actually change the number, click on calculate, and it does every other thing for you. Very straightforward and easy. Like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want this software, it is an offline program. Just send us a message, contact us on the number below on WhatsApp, and we'll attend to you. It is very, very affordable, and you can actually use it on, you don't need a powerful system, you just need a normal system that runs Windows, and it will be compatible for you to use. Thank you very much for watching this video. I remain Kingsley. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that when we do another video, you will be able to be the first to watch it. Have a lovely